Welcome to the channel called CAD with Mr. Hew. In today's video, we're completing the cycloid by drawing the tangent at the point P on the curve. And in the previous video, we looked at the construction of the hypocycloid. So in today's video, we'll be completing the entire drawing. Now, at CAD with You, we aim to become your favorite AutoCAD resource online. We hope that you're doing fabulous, and we thank you for joining us, and we're starting the video now. That's the normal, all right? So we're going to construct a 90-degree to the normal, and that will be the tangent, all right? So we're going to go arc. The center will be at the intersection there, right here. Going to turn on object snap, is right there. The radius would be 25. Mark R come around. Good. We're gonna do the same thing again from where the semicircle intersect the normal. So we go center. The radius will be 25. Good. We're gonna do the same thing from the top right there. So we're gonna go arc, center, start, end, center is here. We're gonna zoom it up right here. Come down. The arc is 25. Where these two arcs intersect this previous semicircle, we're gonna draw another arc. So from here, gonna mark 25. From I need to do it again. So intersection will be there. Radius 25, enter. Right, it was there, right? Good. So where these two arcs intersect, this one and this one, that's a 90 degree, all right, which is a normal. So from the intersection here to P, enter. This would be the normal. So what we can actually do is extend it. So we're going to type extend. I'm going to extend this, this, this. All right, it's not extending there. All right, so we're going to extend it. We're going to put it on the darker layer. Good. And we're going to extend it to the other side. All right. All right, so we're going to try extend, enter. And let's see if it's going to extend to the other side. All right, there it is, there it is, there it is, there it is. All right, good. Let's see if we can extend. Ah, there it is over that side. All right, good. So this is our tangent. So we're gonna label it and we will finish. So we go single line text. I'm gonna put it on the outside here. So the height will be 6. Rotational angle. Let's go again. So height here 6. We're gonna put that looks like about 8 degrees. Right. So we're gonna label this tangent. All right. So what we have to do is rotate it. so that it is in line. So we're gonna go there. What we have to do now is we're gonna turn off objects now. All right, what we're gonna do, I'm gonna move it, put it right here. All right, so this is the tangent. So good job if you got it correct. So we have the normal. We're gonna put the normal on the layer 4. Good. Right. This is what the completed drawing would look like for the hypocycloid. All right. Now, good job. In the next drawing, we'll be looking at circles. All right. So what we can do, we can turn on these layers, right? And we can unlock it. And this is what the full drawing would look like for the epicycloid and the hypocycloid if it's drawn on the same drawing, right? So we're going to put all of these on layer 5, no, 4. And this would be the completed drawing for the epicycloid and the hypocycloid if it is drawn together, right? So good job if you got it correct. Now I can actually put a layer 1. All right, I'm gonna go to layer 1. Right, I'm gonna put all of these on layer 1. So I'm gonna put this, 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 the tangent, and the normal, and the first circle, and this. I need to indicate the diameter here. Well, let me put it on layer 1 and show you something. Layer 1. All right, it's on layer 1. I'm going to indicate the diameter for this circle. It's the same 90, but I just wanted to show you there, right? That's a 90. All right, so I'm gonna make another layer. 6 would be the dimension. All right. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the dimension, these, on the dimension layer. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn off all the layers except one and the dimension. So watch. Right, so there is our epicycloid and hypocycloid. Um, let's let us put on the circles. The circles will be what, Leon? All right, so that's the second. All right, so what we're gonna do now, we need to unlock them. So we need to unlock layer 3 and 2. And we're going to put these circles on the dimension layer for the time being. This circle, this circle. We're going to put them on the dimension layer for the time being. We're going to turn off the, we're going to lock 2 and 3, and we're going to turn them off. And this is the epicycloid. We need the label for the hypocycloid. Turn on 1, 2, and 3. Right, we need a label for the epicycloid, so we're going to put it on the dimension layer. All right, let us turn them off now and see. Well, you can stay as is now because all those construction we're not seeing them. So, all right, so what we're going to do, we're going to draw a line and trim. No, don't need a line. Let's see if we can trim this and get rid of this. Let me see. Yes. So this is our completed drawing for the epicycloid and the hypocycloid. What we can actually do is trim off. We're gonna trim these outer one, yeah. Good. Right? So this is the hypocycloid and the epicycloid. We can actually put this one on the on another layer, maybe layer 4. So okay. So this is our completed drawing for the epicycloid and the hypocycloid. If you was drawing it together. So good job if you got it correct, and see you in the next video. Bye. We have come to the end of today's video covering the topic hypocycloid. In the next video, we'll be looking at the Archimedes spiral, so we look forward to seeing you in that video. At CAD with You, we aim to become your favorite AutoCAD resource online. We hope that you're doing fabulous, and we thank you for joining us. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.